Hello, Mr. Garg. So, I would like to start off by asking you about how you found this entire show.
I think this event is very good. This event is should happen. Such kind of events allow us to have the opportunity to interact with the different mindset. We can see the people, those who have and the veterans in this industry. We can see their perspective. We know what we have done, but it's always a learning experience from the other side that what they have done. So it's really a good event. It should keep on repeating, which can allow us to have some more learnings from the market.
All right. So, you were one of the speakers on our panel. So, may I please ask you to just reiterate the key points of the discussions that you were previously a part of?
My topic was related to the Vande Bharat as I'm associated with from a Kinet side. I can just tell you a couple of things that the Kinet is emphasizing on the indigenization of the project. The entire project, because we are going to manufacture in India, we are going to develop in India, we are going to maintain in India. We believe that this project is going to create many opportunities in the Indian market, which is going to be there very soon. And the way we are focusing and utilizing the Indian ecosystem, which is available in the country, is readily available to cater to the requirement of the market which we are in right now. And the kind of a experience this Vande Bharat is going to differentiate with the current Vande Bharat trains is going to be enormous.
So, thank you for bringing your knowledge and ideas to this platform. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.